Hey, how's it going? Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 4a. This is Google's budget phone with a great camera. Now, because it's a Pixel, you're going to be getting the stock Android experience the way Google intended it. I also have the custom knit, perfect fit fabric case made for the Pixel 4a, but I'll be saving that for later. Time to unbox. Team Pixel. Here's the phone. We have inside. We have instruction manual, SIM tool. We have USB type C to C connector. Get out. USB type A to C converter. And last but certainly not least, USB Type-C charging brick. This should be an 18-watt charger included in the box. Okay. Time for the main event. Now it comes in just one configuration, just one color, which is just black. It has a polycarbonate unibody with a matte black finish to it. On the right side, you have your typical Pixel accented color button and your volume rocker just below. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C connector and your speakers. On the bottom left, this is where your SIM card tray is. And on the top, you have 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So this phone comes with charger in the box and a headphone jack. Great budget buy. Time to boot it up. Just a little fun fact, this is my first Android phone since 2016. I'm coming from the iPhone SE, the most recent one, the 2020 SE. This screen looks massive compared to the iPhone 2020 SE. Ooh, so much colors. Like, look at the screens compared to each other. The display is a 5.81-inch OLED with a 60 Hz panel. It has 1080p resolution, which is giving you 443 pixels per inch with a transmissive hole for your selfie camera. The internals are a Snapdragon 730G processor, 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage. And once again, this is the only configuration for it. The camera on the back is a 12.2 megapixel shooter with dual pixel phase detection, which controls the autofocusing. It's capable of shooting 4K footage at 30 frames per second and can shoot slow motion up to 120 frames per second at 1080p. The selfie camera on the front is an 8 megapixel camera. The battery is a 3140 mAh battery. and it uses an included 18-watt fast charger. Google describes it as having all-day battery life. It has a fingerprint sensor on the back for security. Comes in at a very budget, at a very basic, at a very pocket-friendly cost of $349 USD. Thanks so much for watching. If there's anything you would like to see me test or try, leave it in the comments below. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. On the road to 10 whole subscribers. And I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Take it easy. Peace. Time for the case. I believe this color is a confetti blue. Nice soft interior. Button still clicky. Oh, makes it a lot easier